These are the Remilia Hair Keratin hair capsules. I just think they're just so pretty. I love the bottle. It's very visually appealing. Immediately feels elevated. I love the single-use capsules, clean design, and very salon treatment, but portable. Okay, why I like these. The capsules, they're formulated to give you exactly the right amount of serum. No overdoing it, no greasy mistakes, no guessing. My daughter has a tendency to put on way too much hair serum. This solves my problem. Her hair looked noticeably smoother and shinier. It was not heavy and it did not feel coated. And her hair is curly. It looked a lot smoother and less dry. This was lightweight enough for her, and it is able to be used on fine hair, and it fixed her frizz, fixed her dryness, and her ends, they look like they needed intervention, but they looked much better. I love all of the good stuff in this. The keratin, keratin amino acids, the silk protein, the vitamin B5 combo. The focus is on appearance and manageability, not just surface shine. The capsules are so travel friendly and mess free. These deliver a polished, healthy look very quickly. The bottom line, this is a controlled and intentional hair treatment. It is not a dump and pump oil, okay? This is precise, it is effective, and it is thoughtfully designed for real life use. I highly recommend these. The opinions in this video are mine based on our real use. The product was provided by the brand.